Hello, this is a really quick video to invite you to stay at Nature's Elements in Siddlesham near Chichester for the Goodwood revival. Amazingly, I have spare room, and so if you are still looking for accommodation, please come and join us here. I just thought I'd give you a quick show around and let you know what you've got available. So we have a large open plan room, kitchenette, dining area, obviously the TV. There are 2 bedrooms. So there's a twin room which has its own sink. This is a large sofa bed which can be a king size. There's also a large master bedroom which has doors out to a huge garden. There are 2 toilet facilities here. One has full wheelchair access. And the other one is the shower room as well. And it has its own washing facilities. Washing machine, tumble dryer, extra toilet and spacious shower, and drying facilities as well. Plenty of car parking on tarmac, so you can keep all your cars lovely and clean, ready for the show. So if you're interested in coming and staying for the Goodwood revival, contact me directly via the Facebook page for Chichester Self Catering, or via chichesterselfcatering.co.uk, or give me a call. And the phone number is 07769 746 113. Look forward to having you stay. Thank you. Bye bye.